Have you ever felt calmer after praying? Islamic prayer and the science of stress relief. A study is shedding light on the science behind this feeling. Researchers investigated the impact of Islamic prayer, known as namaz or sholat, on the potential biological impact of religious practices on our mental health. Let's start with understanding stress. We all experience it, that feeling of being overwhelmed or under pressure. Our bodies react to stress by releasing hormones like cortisol, which can be helpful in the short term, but chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental well-being. This study investigated the immediate effects of namaz on stress-related hormones and genes in healthy adults. Researchers recruited over 80 regular practitioners of namaz and monitored their cortisol and alpha-amylase levels, both indicators of stress response, before and after performing prayers. They also analyzed the expression of genes like BDNF, brain health, and IL-6, inflammation, in a smaller group. The results were fascinating. Here's what they found. Cortisol levels. Namaz or sholat helped regulate cortisol levels. If someone's baseline cortisol was low, prayer increased it. Conversely, if it was high, prayer lowered it, bringing it towards a healthy balance. Another stress marker, alpha-amylase, shows similar patterns, indicating a reduction in stress response after prayer. The study also delved into gene expression, looking at genes involved in stress response and brain health. Interestingly, they observed a decrease in the expression of a gene called BDNF after prayer. While this might seem counterintuitive, it's important to understand that chronic stress usually increases BDNF, so this decrease might be a way for the body to prevent long-term stress effects. These findings are significant because they connect the practice of prayer with measurable changes in the body's stress response. Similar to meditation or yoga, namaz, with its structured movements and focus, might offer stress-reducing benefits. This research offers a glimpse into the potential of namaz as a tool for managing stress and promoting mental well-being. It adds to the growing body of evidence suggesting that religious practices can have a positive impact on our health. Within less than 10 minutes practicing namaz or sholat, our body can react positively against stress. And it is crucial in today's fast-paced world. What do you think? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more beneficial information related to Islam.